day 65 of 75 hard is completed, almost. Going for my second session, which is like walk with the run. In morning I had like gym workout, lower body. But yeah, I wanted to make this video again about like walking, and if it's enough just to walk and get in the best shape of your life. Because my previous video about walking did really good. A lot of you guys were like super interested in it, so I decided to make another one and explain like, yeah, what's my thoughts on walking and if it's like enough to get in the best shape of your life. So first of all, walking is really good, you know, to burn those calories, increase your metabolism. But to like, let's say, be toned, be like lose those love handles, I think walking is not enough. You know, you also want to get some like strength training at least 2 to 3 times per week. Because if you're already a man, let's say in your 30s or 40s, or maybe you're younger, or but you are like a bit overweight, you know, you have that last layer of fat. By just doing walking, yes, you will like shed off that fat, you know, but you will be like this skinny fat body type, which I think you don't want it, right? Like the same for me was like when I started my fitness and health journey as well. Like I was doing so much cardio, restricting myself, you know, still lifting a bit, but that was not my main priority, because my main priority was then be as shredded as possible, have that six pack. So I know a lot of people also make that mistake, that they think that they're gonna walk, you know, and that's gonna be enough, or they run and that's gonna be enough. Yes, it's really good, keep doing it. But yeah, you also want to have like some strength training to develop that tone, you know. And then with walking, yes, you increase your steps and get the body you want. Of course, also nutrition will come in a right place, you know, because if you are not knowing how much you eat or what to eat, if you don't know how much to eat or what to eat, it's also gonna be really hard job. For example, let's say you eat a lot of like processed food or foods who are in high calories, you know, no matter how much walking you're gonna do, like it's not gonna help you, right? So we have to be in like small calorie deficit, keeping the diet really high in protein, getting walk in your day-to-day life, prioritizing strength training sessions, and then doing that for consistent basis, you're gonna see great results. You know, and let's say you're hitting the gym, you know, 2 to 3 times per week, trying to eat healthy. So how much actually steps per day you need to take? I know a lot of people and on internet, you know, they say 10k steps, but do you really need 10k steps? It really depends, you know, on yourself, on your calories, maintenance, what's your current weight, you know, are you sedentary or not? But if you are, let's say, sedentary and only like training 3 times per gym, you know, that's also not gonna be enough, right? Like we're not burning that much calories during your gym sessions. So at the end of the day, still the most important thing is being in that calorie deficit and using like nutrition, food as getting in that best shape, you know. And then with gym sessions, you know, you're building more muscle with walking. You're just maintaining your health, you know, as well, like burning some calories. But you shouldn't adopt that mindset that walking, I'm shredding off the weight, you know, because a lot of people, let's say, they eat chocolate or they eat something junk, and then they're gonna go on like treadmill, cardio, or for a walk for like 1 to 2 hours to burn it, and then they adopt this like poor mindset, scarcity mindset, you know, and it's not gonna be really sustainable. So definitely don't do that. So use steps just for like longevity, yeah, getting some movement in your day, you know. Gym sessions, use it for your muscle building, and diet, nutrition, use it as a fat burning, you know. And once you have those 3 things in place, without doubt, you're gonna be in best shape of your life, you know. And you have to do them for longer periods of time, and at least for 12 to 16 weeks to see some results. Also, a lot of people make mistake that, okay, I'm going to the gym for 2 weeks, I don't see any changes in my body, and then they stop, and the cycle repeats, nothing changes. And yeah, I know it's difficult, especially also when it's so much information out there nowadays on internet, different diets, different training plans. So you have to make sure to find that right plan for yourself, that fits your lifestyle and needs. And maybe if you are new to this, get some support, get some help, because let's take myself as an example. All the things that has like leveled me up in my life, let's say in my business, or also now like in a surfing. I came to Bali, my goal was to surf, but I didn't like know how to surf at all. So I went to like surf sessions, I hire a coach, and like they teach me. So I do that for a couple times, and I get the faster results, right? I learn from the people who already know the things I want to learn. So invest also your finances, energy, time into things that you really want to do. So if you say that you want to become the best version of yourself, you want to be in a better shape, then you also want to show that you are actually invested into that, And yeah, learn already from the people who already have those things that you want to have, and that's gonna like shorten the learning process, and help you achieve the things you want. So I hope this video was valuable. If you haven't watched my previous video on the talk, then watch it here probably. And yeah, let me know in the comments if this is valuable or what other topics you want me that I cover in the future videos. And subscribe, like this video, and I see you in the next video.